Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bake That. My name is Kate and I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread biscotti. This gingerbread biscotti recipe resembles the brand of Nonni's gingerbread biscotti found in stores this time of year. If you like this video, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I've listed all the supplies you will need in the video description down below. Start by creaming the butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar together. You can do this with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Add the egg, molasses, and spices to the bowl and mix until all ingredients are combined. You will continue mixing the other ingredients together and add the baking powder. Start adding the flour in small increments. Feel free to stop mixing and scrape down the bowl at any point you feel necessary. Once all the flour is added, you should have a dough-like consistency. Transfer this dough to a baking sheet. Spread the dough out with wet fingertips on the baking sheet and create a 1-inch thick rectangle shape. You can shape this as long or as wide as you would like, since you will be cutting this on an angle to create the biscotti. Once the dough is shaped in a rectangle, you will paint the milk to the top of the dough. Place the tray in a 350-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes and then remove the tray from the oven for 10 minutes. Turn the oven temperature down to 325 degrees. Once the loaf has cooled, cut the loaf on an angle to create the individual biscottis. You can make these as thin or as wide as you would like. Transfer the slices back onto the baking sheet with one side down and bake for 10 minutes. Flip these biscottis and bake for about 7 to 8 minutes. If you would like a harder biscotti, bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. If you would like a glaze on these biscottis, combine the powdered sugar and milk together in a bowl and mix. You may need to add more powdered sugar to get the consistency of the glaze that you would like. Add the glaze to a small sandwich bag and cut off one of the corners of the bag and drizzle the glaze over the biscotti. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and select the bell to get notifications on future content.